Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add a bio on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to add a bio on Snapchat allows you to provide additional information about yourself to your friends and followers. Adding a bio can help others learn more about you, your interests, and your personality. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat application and then open the other tab. After that, you can enter to your profile page at the corner. Okay, so now click this option and then you can tap Edit Profile. Okay, and for the next step, you can tap this box to add a bio. And here, enter the text according to your personalization. Okay, so now your bio is successfully added. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add a bio on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.